Are you still there? Good. Maybe I'm just not better than this. I haven't tried. 'Cause maybe you'll finally choose me after you've had more time.
Hello guys, it's Sunday and welcome to my first day of vlog diaries. So I decided to do this to document my every off ganap. So dito ako ngayon sa park and chilling. I'm having coffee. With you vlog. I'm having cappuccino cream coffee from 7-Eleven. I've got an egg pie from Goldilocks. By the way, not smoked. So, ang daming tao ngayon sa park since it's Sunday. Maraming tao nag-jogging. So, this is not my usual spot since kung saan-saan lang din naman ako ulit. So, welcome to my vlog. I know it's been a while, but I'm gonna make sure I'll make it up to you guys. Pansin nyo, medyo nahihiya pa ako mag-vlog since I'm not used to vlogging outdoor. Like, ako lang kasi mag-isip. So, well, we're gonna see the usual. I'm having my time. There's a lot of people out here as well. Alam niyo ba yung nakakatawa dito guys sa city? Since I'm living for a year now here in Macau, dami ko napansin sobrang like beneficial for people. They have jogging lanes here. Meron talaga sa park kung saan pwede ka chill, like here. I'm sitting alone and watching people pass by. Meron ding malapit na church where you can park. Pwede kang magbasa. Alam niyo ba most likely, dito ako natambay kapag like feeling ko I'm overwhelmed. Finding peace, slowing down. Hello! How's your day? Ang cute ng bata. You just stare at my video. Kasi nasa gilid ng jogger yung phone. Hindi naman siya nakakabala sa daan. Kasi gilid ng Hindi ko alam paano mag-open ng coffee ng isang kamay lang ginagamit. So, the people here are so nice.
Ang dami kong vlog plans na gusto kong gawin, but since I'm just starting to vlog, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ina-navigate or navigate. Ano ba yung tamang term? I-execute yung plans ko to grow my channels, to edit better in doing vlogs. There are a lot of unsures I have in mind. Pero since ngayon is go, 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 go. Since morning, pag-isipan kong, ba't hindi kaya ako mag-vlog today? Since parang nabuhay na naman yung like inspiration ko to do vlogging. Since I watch Janine Gutierrez vlog kagabi, and I was amazed of the editing, and I came up with an idea na, ba't hindi ka ako mag-vlog ngayon? Ayos natin yung kalat. Baka kasi, ay! Oh no! Mambabasag pa ng ano dito. Ang ganda tignan ng mga taong nag-jog. Sana ganyan din ako. But actually, I do my exercise early in the morning pag pumapasok ako. So, I consider it exercise. Wala lang, it's just a normal vlog. Bye!